My dear children, in this module, we are going to study the term public relations. In the present business environment, organizations, including business organizations, are putting high emphasis on public relations. It can be defined as public relation is the action of an organization for promoting goodwill between itself and the society. Some of the definitions given by Edward L. is that public relation is the attempt by information, persuasion and adjustment to engineer public support for an activity, cause, movement or institution. The Institute of Public Relations USA had defined public relation as it is the deliberate, planned and sustained effort to establish and maintain mutual understanding between an organization and the public. Most of the large business organizations have separate public relations departments to undertake the activities related to public relations. This is so because public relations plays an important role. The first point is creating better image. Public relations plays an important role, or it helps to create public loyalty to the organization. This loyalty is created by disseminating relevant information to the public, which is done by public relations. Then another point is winning loyalty of public. Public relations plays a key role in creating better image of an organization by maintaining good relationship with the public. This image is quite helpful for the organization to promote its products. Another point is understanding the public opinions. Public relations helps in understanding the public opinions about the organization. Understanding public opinions helps an organization to check out its actions which are relevant to the public. The next point is overcoming misunderstanding. Sometimes misunderstanding may be created in the public about the organization or any of its action. Such a misunderstanding has been created by communicating facts on the issue because of which misunderstanding has been created. Then next point is lobbying. Business organizations need to maintain regular contacts with the government, officials, ministers to get their concern addressed. The public relations department has to engage with these people so that the regularity framework does not against the interest of the organization. And the last point is communicating new developments. Public relations is a good mechanism to communicate new developments in the organization. Communicating such developments is beneficial to both organization and public. Public relations involve a variety of programs to promote or protect a company's image and its individual products in the eyes of the public. The public relations programs help in building corporate image that affects favorably on its corporate products. Example, expenditure on upkeep of the parks and gardens in the city, sponsoring sports and cultural events, etc. The business needs to communicate effectively to customers, suppliers and dealers since they are instrumental in increasing the sales and profit. Besides, the voice and the opinion of the general public is equally important as they may be interested in the company and its products and have been an impact on the business ability to achieve its objectives. The following departments in the firm can be given the task to disseminate the information and build goodwill. They are the marketing department, the separate department to manage the public relations called Public Relations Department. They may be also utilize the services of any outside public relations agency. The role of Public Relations Department is to monitor the attitudes of the general public and generate positively. They are especially useful when there is negative publicity about the company or its products. The traditional public relation tools includes press release and press kits, which are distributed to the media to generate interest from the press. Other widely known tools are brochures, newsletters, annual reports, and audio-visual materials. Then events like seminars, etc. Then public service activities like expenditure on upkeep of parks and gardens in the city, and sponsorships, that is sponsoring sports and cultural events.